Alright, so today I'm taking my door apart so I can fix my mirror. As you can see, this mirror is done. Somebody hit my mirror. So, got all the tools I need. Just need to, I already took the screws out and everything. This part right here, I'm priming this, like taking this off, pulling it up so I can prime the door off. I'm gonna leave this sitting right here so you guys can see me. So you use this to get the screws out of these two right here. 1, 2. This the extender that you can use for the gun. You just put that in there, and then you put that end in there, and then it's an extendo clip for real. Then you go in there and you screw it out for real. Now I'm about to prime off the door. Since I got all the screws out, I primed the door off. Oh no, wait. There's one screw I didn't get, I remember. Gotta get this screw on the bottom for underneath here, right there. Gotta take that joint off. Something. Screw like that. Next step, after you take all the screws out the door, everything, you prime this out right here. This speaker. Out. So you just pull it back until it pop out that little hole right there. And then you pull it back. And then you lift it up. And then you just keep it up there like that so I can prime the door out. Alright, so as you can see, I got this primed off. It's off. See, it's not connected. Now I'm about to prime the door off all the way around. Take the door off so I can get to my mirror.
I think it's a game.
So I got the door off. Well, I got it ready to be taken off. It was pretty hard, as you can see. Had to prime these things off. Hold on, I'm gonna let you guys see. Had to prime these off from the door, and all the way around, I had to take it off. So as you can see, the door is ready to come off. So I'm about to pull this joint off.
I think it's a game.
Alright guys, I'm back. You know, had a hard time, but you can finally see I got this door off.
Yeah, so guys, don't roast me in the comments.
Now I'm on to
I meant to say door panel.
on to the mirror.
Didn't mean to say door,
Dealt with.
because I'm not actually taking the door off.
Fixed up, so.
It's just the door panel that I'm taking
Sorry
off.
guys that I can't, record at the same time while I'm working on my mirror. I don't have, a tripod or anything like that to set my phone up, so, while I'm doing bits and pieces here and there, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, but let's get on to this mirror. I'm back. Again, sorry that I gotta keep stopping and recording, stopping and recording. I do not have a tripod. I repeat, I do not have a tripod, so I can't set my camera up. But back again. I finally got, I finally disconnected the connector and then pulled this out from right here. As you can see, it clips on, locks on. Then I brought it through here, took the green plug off from right there, and then bam, there goes my mirror. Have an 8 a.m. No, sorry about that, I said 8 a.m. I have a dumbass motherfucker 8 a.m. triple driver socket, which I'm putting in right here, and then I'm gonna unscrew that so I could take my mirror off. I guess I can do it while I'm recording. Oh, that's tight. Let me reverse that.
Think it's a game.
Put on my mirror. It's because I didn't have a 8M triple socket, that's what I needed to take this piece off to get to the mirror. Shout out to my man James. I'll drop his YouTube channel down below. But shout out to my man James for letting me hold his tools. This red box, this is the special box right here. Cause a lot of these pieces is not in the store, like Advanced Auto Parts and all of that stuff. So I appreciate him letting me use that to get to my mirror and take it off. So now that I took off that screw right there, this is the cord for the mirror. I can just go ahead and push it through and then pop my mirror off. And once I'm finished, I'll record that and be back. So I'm back. Got the door off. Got the wires, everything disconnected. And then my damn mirror just fell off. That's what I wanted to record. Me pulling the mirror out. Just to let y'all know I did it. Got the mirror out. Take that piece and disconnect it. Bow. Alright, so there you go. No mirror on the car. And I ain't never put the mirror back on there. Psych! Psych. Now I'm ready to put the new mirror on for y'all. Ready to show y'all. I got the new mirror. Got the new mirror right here. All right here. Got the new mirror right there. So with the cord, that's gonna go through there. Bow, connect that motherfucker. And we on. So I'll be right back because I'm ready to put this mirror on, show y'all that I put it on. All you do is put it on the other side right here. You put it right there where it's supposed to go. Run the cord through this hole right here where you can see through. Run that cord through there. Put everything back on. Run it through here, connect it, and connect it to this connector right here. And bam, it should be working. Alright guys, so I'm back. Took me roughly 15 minutes to put this mirror, put the new mirror on. You know, put the new mirror on with all the clips that I had to put in. But y'all couldn't see it because I don't have a tripod. And for me to put the door on now, as you can see, the door is not all the way on yet because I just got to the step. So I'm trying to, you know, put the door back on. I still got another piece put on that I can show y'all as the video go on. No, that's the old mirror right there. At least y'all can watch me put the door back on. Y'all should be able to see that.
This whole nah, bitch, I ain't playing. Same niggas talk that shit down, know nothing about being a man. I've been misused, I've been mistreated. What the fuck, they don't understand. But they show sympathy for some.